Congratulations, my dear CMA students. Your messages are flooded, and I am really happy for all your successes. Hey, you have entered into the CMA journey now. The real challenge of CMA starts now. The real success and accomplishments of CMA is going to start now for you. And in this journey, I will help you. Hey, how the registration process would be, what you should do for that, how you should prepare, how you should develop the content, how you should actually do the compliance part of it, what type of skills you should develop, what type of confidence you should build, all that I'll be discussing in this video. Hey, of course I'll also talk about certain fees related matter. I'll also talk about some stage by stage process, what is most important, how you should focus your focus and career opportunities also. So listen to the video till the end, and I will give you that date, that year in which you will complete the CMA if you start now with full focus, right? And also salary, very important thing, right? Chalo, let's start with the journey. Hey, first thing, because you got the results on January 31st, and till 10th February CMA Institute gave you the opportunity to do the registration. If you want to write the examinations in June, or even if you write in December, register before Feb 10th, because you will get the books, and books are not going to change till December, it would be same. So nothing wrong in registering before February 10th. Only it adds value to you by giving you an extra attempt to write the exams in June. Okay, so do registration before Feb 10th. That always great. Second option, second thing which you should focus, will I be able to write in June? Sir, we are just intermediate completed students, sir. For us, June, is it possible? Hey, if you are sitting full time on CMA only, not going to college, not giving any time to college studies, just writing college exams, internals and all that, nothing more than that, then if you commit, it is possible that you can write one group in June, and that will really ease your pressure, right? And second group you can write in December. The best part I'll tell you, actually CMA exams, there is no gap actually, right? 8 days they conduct exam. First day group 1, second day group 2, third day group 1, fourth day group 2, like that they continue. So what happens because of that, those who write both groups at a time don't get real time to actually focus, and you are just new students who did not study costing, you did not study operations management, strategic management till now. For you to suddenly take the burden of both groups and prepare 8 subjects at a time may be little tough. So suggest you that for this 4-5 months, don't do anything except CMA group 1. Don't go to college, nothing will be lost if you don't go to the college except the enjoyment part, sorry for that. So, but you will get a professional degree in your hand sooner. That's what the gain is. Now, I will tell you that if you every day full focus, full energy, and June CMA intergroup 1 is possible, right? Now, those who cannot do in June can write both the groups in December, but it would be tough. You need to give lot of effort, more than those people who are writing single group, because these people in June they write group 1, they get 1.5 day to prepare for each subject, revise for each subject, but those who are writing both groups, just half day for revision, so that would be difficult, right? So that's why more efforts if you are writing both groups at a time. Now the next question comes, sir, how should we prepare and what the institute is doing? First thing, because CMA Institute got international recognition. Across the globe, our course is recognized now. So because of that, new questions will be asked in the examinations. It will not be from the same like textbook questions or easy questions like foundation. So because it would be tough, because it would be totally new questions, it would be based on the concepts which are there in the textbook, based on the problems which we solved in the textbook, but it will not be exact same questions. Moreover, some case study type of questions will also be asked. So you cannot study something like what is the concept, nothing like that. You have to study the logic, you have to study the concept, and you should also study the practical aspects of it. Why? If you want to become an excellent accountant and clerk, if you learn what it is, that's enough. But if you want to become a CEO, CFO of a company in the future, then you should know why it is and how I can use it to grow my organization. And that's where the practical understanding of the topics comes into picture. And that's why I suggest learn to ask questions. Why this topic? What is this topic? How can I use for the organizations gain this topic? Like that you should study. And for that I'll give you 5 tips. First thing, ultimate concentration. If concentration happens, everything. Multi focused person cannot achieve anything. You focus on one thing at a time. That's what important. I may do 10 things, but at a time I am doing only one thing. If you do this, 4 hours for studies means 4 hours fully dedicated to studies without touching mobile phone. And half an hour you want to enjoy, then chill for that half an hour. Like this, your concentration should be there, full focus should be there, and that's what will ensure you to become successful. For that, what is required? Commitment. Temptations will come. Instagram notifications, sir. But you have to curtail that temptations and focus on studies while you decide that this is the time for studies. That commitment is required. And once that commitment, one concentration is there, automatically you will get clarity about the concepts. And I also tell that you should build confidence. One, confidence is because of the subject knowledge, because of the bookish knowledge what you got, the practical logic what you learned. Second, confidence is the natural confidence, and I can say the people confidence. Meeting different people, interacting with people, learning from them, connecting with them. That actually builds your confidence. Because knowing the subject builds one way, knowing people, interacting with people, getting things done from them builds another level confidence, and that's needed. Build that from time to time, right? It will improve your communication too, correct? And there is no important questions, important chapters in CMA books, please. If somebody says, just ignore that, people. You have to study entire textbook, you have to study each and every concept. There is no important question, no important chapter. There is no trend in the examinations also, that based on the past trend we believe that these questions may come, this topic will be asked. All that are bullshit. Only thing constant in the exams is the question paper pattern is not constant. So prepare everything. Yes, you can give little more weightage to some topics, that's a okay thing, but ignoring any chapter is not right. So complete preparation is needed. Some additional tips I'll give, and then I'll talk about your journey and when you will complete your CMA also, and salary aspects too. Okay. And the major doubt, should I do CMA, will it have a career opportunity, all that I'll discuss again. Okay. Now there are certain small books on memory, small books on speed reading, small books on personality development, just 200-400 pages. Start reading that books. It will not only build your English communication skills, not only build your understanding of the things, but will help you to give a lot of tools. With examples I can remember, with acronyms I can remember, with so many different things I can remember the things faster. Your preparation will become speed and faster only with this type of tools, if you are able to additionally use. So please use it, blindly follow what I said, and you'll come back to me saying that really it helped. We would have done the preparation in 300 hours, but because we read this book for 10 hours, we brought it to 200 hours and completed it, sir. Thank you so much, you will say after some time to me. Okay, so this is how your preparation aspect, subject wise videos also I'll give it to you. Direct taxation, any doubt is there, anytime you want, you can ping me on my WhatsApp. I'll be happy to help you. Even on GST you can ask doubts. I'll be happy to really help you out in subject coaching or any aspect of it. Okay, whether you are taking coaching from me or not, if doubt is there, you can approach me. I'm approachable. Okay, now regarding how to register, how would your journey, let's see the PDF and discuss. Now till February 10th you will register for CMA intermediate because you cleared foundation. Now what happens is you have to write the exams in June end or July first week, first group, and in December 2023 second group. During this period you have to complete some 140 hours of online coaching, which is mandatory by the institute. The best part of it, you will be learning SAP from SAP institution, so you will get certificate from them directly. You will be learning Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Education. You will be learning e-filing, which is conducted by the institute itself, and you will also learn some English communication related things for around 20 hours. All this together 140 hours. Now because you will be getting certificate for English from Cambridge, from Microsoft Education for Excel, from SAP, right? So this really boosts your profile and really help you to get more salary packages. So do this with seriousness. Hey, is it a compliance oriented activity or content oriented activity? If somebody asks me, it is a content oriented activity. Be serious about it, give time and build lot of confidence. Some classes you may not like from the institute, no problem, learn from YouTube, but build that confidence in the topic. When you put the certificate in front of the interviewer tomorrow, you should tell that I know this in SAP, this parts in Excel with clarity. That confidence is required. Okay, now once you do this, your CMA inter is done. If you want to start articleship, 15 months articleship is mandatory. You can start immediately after registration, or you can just complete your second group in December 2023 and immediately start articleship, where you will get practical training from cost accountants. Hey, you can also work in companies like NMDC, right? So BHEL. So there are so many companies which you can check on the website, will be giving training to you. Okay, so take that 15 months training, do it with sincerity, learn income tax filing, GST filing practically, company incorporation practically, how cost audits are done, all that. Whatever you studied in theory, practically you will be doing and learning everything. That's what the best part of it. And during your articleship, because you will clear the CMA inter by February 2024, results will come at that time. Okay, you can start preparing for final. Now you can go by group wise. So 2024 December you will get the first opportunity to write the CMA final group 3. Okay, and June 2024 you can write group 4 and complete your CMA. If everything goes great, you clear everything in first attempt, then by November 2025 you will have a package of around 10 lakhs rupees in your hand. Presently average packages are going to around 8 to 9 lakhs rupees, and the speed with which our government is growing our country, our professionals are getting lot of value and good packages. Salary packages of Indians are going to increase, and you will be the beneficiary of it, the efforts which the governments are, industrialists are putting in. So this is all what I have to say. Hey, CMA registration around 23,100 your fees is there, that also you have to pay, and yeah, if you pay immediately it will confirm that your registration is done. you have to go to respective chapters to collect the books. That's what actually happens. And yes, listen to my revision videos on direct taxes and GST, right? And if you are looking for any courses also, you can always approach me for that. Okay, any doubts are there, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is given in the description, so you can check and always contact me without any hesitation. Okay, chalo, all the best and congratulations once again. Party chill, take care.